Good morning. Welcome to this weekly edition of our Ag Market Network weekly market report. Exports have just come out here. This is the 22nd of August. And looking at these numbers, we'll look at the export figures and then see the reaction of the market. The cotton number was 164,100 running bales. That's for 2019-2020, with Indonesia taking 50,400. Vietnam taking 36,100, Turkey taking 10,900, Malaysia taking 8,900, and light cancellations mainly from Hong Kong. We've got shipments of, let's see, 344,000, so that's a pretty good number. The market was trading down 50 in December cotton. We had a big up day yesterday, but we retraced some of it today. We were down 50 before the report, and we're still about at that same level. Soybeans, net sales of 25,900 metric tons, and that's, of course, a light number. I'm just looking to see. It looks like most of the business was new crop, 2019-2020. We had sales of 792,600, and that was, of that, 421,000 were unknown destinations. Mexico took 111,500. China took 66,000 metric tons. So China's not doing any buying of beans, even though that was the request of our government, and the feeling was that they were going to step up and as a sign of good faith do that. They've not lifted a finger on that one. So soybeans were up 2.25 before the report. Right now they're up 3. We're a little bit firmer. Corn, net sales of 119,300 metric tons, up noticeably from the previous week and up 31% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 96,900 metric tons. Japan took 61,700 metric tons. Canada took 10,600 metric tons. We did have some cancellations. The bigger numbers, of course, are for new crop, 2019-2020, sales of 301,600 metric tons, with Mexico taking 155,400, South Korea taking 65,200, Jamaica taking 47,500. So corn was up before the report, 1.5. Right now it's up 1 3/4 in December corn. Wheat, net sales of 594,600 metric tons for the 2019-2020 marketing year. That's up 29% from the previous week and up 19% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 113,800 metric tons. Guatemala took 60,500 metric tons. Thailand took 60,000 metric tons. And what have we got? Shipments of 659,000. And the wheat reaction. Wheat before the report was down 1. Right now, wheat's up 0.5. So that was taken in a positive way in the markets. Looking at the range of these markets and what maybe to expect, we seem to be in trading range markets right now across the board in everything. December cotton. On the low side, we've seen support down in the area of 58, 57, 50 to 58. We see resistance up towards 60 or just above it. Light volume. If we were to manage to close above 60 with volume and we saw a little short covering, we could push this market up to 62. And we do have news in Texas. That crop has been very dry and hot, and they are the quality of that crop is deteriorating right now. The yields are deteriorating. So as long as they're not getting rain, that could be a factor, and that could be something that could cause some buying in the market. We're looking at a record short position among commodity funds, the big speculators in cotton. Never seen this many shorts in the market, and traditionally when you get that overdone, at some point you get a correction, and we would expect the same thing. As far as November soybeans go, November soybeans are right now trading 876. I would expect a range there of anywhere from a low of 855 to a high of 896. December corn right now is trading at 372. I would expect a range of in the area of yesterday's low, down toward 365, up to 390 or a little higher, until we get some new fresh news that could affect the market, but that seems to be where we're sideways at the moment. December wheat trading right now at 468.5. I expect support at 460 and resistance up toward 490. So as we are starting to finish up the summer, we traditionally get a market that rallies a little bit and then starts rolling over into harvest time, and that could very well be the case here again. But the markets are sideways at the moment. Any rallies in the market would be something to look to take advantage of, so keep an eye on that. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us for this edition of our weekly market update. We'll talk to you later.